So painful. Teaching for a year without salary. All my colleagues has gotten their staff IDs. It has started with me. Only me from resting off. I've rented, I've been paying.
Mamema akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching ebusanfo enane 3 days ene yehu say teachers ekrekra placards demonstration omo HSA 1 year ni omo achre adesa na omo pay embai na mehu demonstration no na me se mekasa afa ho. You see, last obi be ma comment o me video ase ebedi matem e platform yi so enipa no me reply no me wie e na me block no because me fen kwase ase me catch that was say Captain Smart hypocrite on Kenya ase sama bedi matem na we nipa ko na bedi matem no Captain Smart o Kenya ase. You see, teachers see omo ko demonstration ni adenti na mo ko demonstration say mu nim His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na membu no bebu koi na wasanso abana na say den na say mo ye demonstration because you think say John Dramani Mahama etua monka. Yes, say otua monka, but if say catch am say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no obetimi atena so 8 years obetimi ama ombe 2 years pepe.
Now, how has it been for you as a teacher? It's so painful. Teaching for a year without salary. All my colleagues has gotten their staff IDs. It has started with me. Only me from resting off. I've rented, I've been paying bills, that is light bill, water bill. I just don't know what to do again. I'm tired. What we need now is our staff IDs. The minister should listen to us and hear our cry. Be working, even just common core credit. You need to beg for common core credit. Sometimes you have to starve to go to class and teach. How can one teach with hunger? Like, how are we going to teach? But they have forgotten that teachers are nation builders. Yeah. So please, we are pleading. We need our staff IDs. If there is any way they can help us, they should have. I've been here for like 3 weeks. What they told me is that the clearance has expired. The system has been shut down, so they can't do anything about it. How can you tell us this story? It's so painful. And I know some people who has been worked. Sorry, they were recruited just last year, 2025 December. I know 5 of them from my hometown.
And they have their staff
IDs and they got their salary just last month, January. Meanwhile, we have been working for some months. No staff ID, no salary. We need some explanation. We need answers to our question. We need our staff IDs. Thank you.
All right. Well, these are more reactions here too.
Na miakasa metna ha akasa dia mama papa His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Me pesa me catch Nana Addo say ombisa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say ono kwa de so wa be president ekọ no asanso aba. Nti abra na ote echi eto mobile park ne so no na ade tro kan say na oba be ye. His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebeye president from 2017 January 6th teachers, nurses, cocoa farmers, public servants being who be placards a year demonstration ewo chrome from 2017 18 19 20 till 2021. I am telling you, say bia undi politics na undi politics chikra me. I am telling you, say Nana Addo be president ye hu we be daw o sa ban bit na so 8 years na se ne ho fon na se Ghana futu no mo de aban foforo ba o first month second month no ho be ya kono to say the John Dramani Mahama na ndesi fo ba na Ghana fu bo se no sai bi na eto Nana Addo 2017 ba Nana Addo ne de na chair you miss from 2017 18 na be 2021 till say COVID by 2020 COVID by ya enyama be ye basa Nana Addo e ma Ghana fu ani J back to back sa be 5 years. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wa be president da. In fact, to be vice president. And our president who now be vice, Yasan so to man na obeye wan kasa president. And a walk on a wasan swaba. Still a member no so. Nana do buy the first time. Na Ghana ye ambulance, the ambulance name be 40 kran. Nana do be provided ambulance. Constituency be one ambulance. Nana do the napco buy. Or the your friend say one district, one factory. OCC factories are a confi juice kran say be ye ntimi nka kra beka say confi juice nana do not buy. In the confi juice, omo export to Kwabrochi na akoton. Commander Sugar Factory, my painter that John Dramani Mahama opens went in yanye. And so more your campaign, you catch the Ghana for say John Dramani Mahama and NDC for mounting in curated jobs. Because John Dramani Mahama ne pencil. Factory, sugar factory, or you know why I'm employing for went to me. And I made the hand make cousin back of friend say, no minimum be wa bear my men in Casa non paid when I'm catching as a brandy. And they said, one panning a mayor doma 2028 about an MPP for winning. I said, I was so called to men this, the ambassador what in a fear 8 years. Because John Dramani Mahama, no one and saw Baba fed my foot. Semu Nima, Mumma Franket and getting our woman more banner. Yemu be a society by the politics at Chiaka must say, and this bomb from a dream, one fair ye being among the ayata. Someone Kotwaba, Obi on pen this non Kotwaba or Tinifi. Intimate catcher was a and fair friend, I mean. And we be a medebwa. And the brand mention blog and also fetch travel. Now meaning because John Dramani Mahama and Yado Abe Famu. One of them that are going to into Omakanamu. His Excellency, the former president, Adon Kufado, Efe Jumaya Fuan, just or buy a Jumaya friend this for Parky Omubu fear for the past 8 years, you know, and now the ball be found. Some to Abada. Just say, acquire an another year, interchange and another year, Kumasi inner roads and another year. Mr. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, your man 100 years, old team in front of him compare and another 8 years. And then a being see and what Ghana and Ponya Ghana, we are seeing Fanina. Almost the Ghana card by Ghana card in there, I want coffee baby no more year Juma. Drones, a deliver blood, a deliver drew, will be a real cheer. I said drone, Mr. Debbie American Mikrum, Brakwa, Mekwa Debbie Sikuma, drone fear Sikuma be deliver, a drew moja, or Brakwa na Sansoko. And Niama Kesia Kese Almighty Free SHS. And the Abofrebi to UK. Nabushia and that's why been because of Nanadunti. And the Oko TikTok, Oko Facebook. Omo appreciate ya deno mo ko free SHS na bi mo ye doctor na ade no. Omo atwa eda Nanado ase. Chese Nanado be ye president Ghana for one ya sapone say dollar rate akoso. Mo the dollar rate out to about to NPP. Nanso NDC aba dollar rate na drop it and so prices of goods kwa na ekosoro cement kwa na ekosoro chese water bill se ntumi ntua light bill kra de bobu chese water light kwa ntumi chese light no kra de utumi to light 200 cedis 4 days kra yendu nanso adwumayefo mo atete mo aketua so and the fuel levy da so bibia to Ghana ha bia levy da so adwumayefo mo atete mo atete mo aketua so one shall want to mean to our car, Coco, see, I want to mean to our car, Coco, from Coco, cooking our moo kill. Me person me bisa, me person me tell me Cassaman and Andrew and Anado. Unya coupon, were vindicated. You have been vindicated, Nanado. Because any Nanado no bow trees so your bone some, Nanado when me yafe, Nanado sadreno, Nanado no sardine, any me yafe no, your man bofuyo would differ, and Yaman Nanado here, would done any and out to our news way at or kennel, who bet me about one Yaman and Nanado Bay, I just say, a benefit Ghana for a benefit or more benefit or more being see that. She say when you at all, catch me say John Dramani Mahama, 8 years no, I Professor Atamils, ebe spending no. Omo mention just one thing na. Omo beti nya kase yes adi na bua Ghana. Omo mention na yentie. O Ghana ni akoto aba afa wani hwe atew no. Catch ni yentie mu bu oman mu sebio Ghana ha no musika hye na ni ha. Esikafo pa na e average na e wa hiafo na kwata kra. Na na Dubai nti wo batimi ko free SHS. Na na to books, auto mpaboa, auto your friend say uniforms, etua school fees. Ghana force the impaired and dollar rate akoso so make us obi kure hu dollar da. Ukodwo na okoton enchi meko brode bayira enye dollar no wode to. And as matter of fact, banchim brode na ade kra no eye season aduane season e ko na aban so wode ni na egu na do ni tree so. Na person bisa John Dramani Mahama say, "Inti wo buy 1 year, unya 2 years in pool. I feel when you 1 year 2 months. And who demonstrations in it? When you 1 year 2 months, oh, Teachers were all demonstration, nurses equal demonstration, doctors equal demonstration, a cocoa farmers equal demonstration. Aren't you tired? His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, aren't you tired? And all tea Ghana for an area dana. Open so from 2013 but 2016. Should do so a call so a Ghana Hanum. 2013 crowd in any was school. What's the culture of fan failure if you do so? I can prep no more do no. I can prep no more do no. A month who were hospitals. And more fra wa wo share incubators in light off into a month who obi omo an operation no more do light in coffee we John Dramani Mahama, what do you want from us? A damn pan I will pay for Ghana for. And so doom so collapsing crofo companies, yeah, demonstrations were Ghana, yeah, with just one doom sono. John Dramani Mahama say, or your dead goats. This is a nobody no on Tiasem. She said, Ghana for your casa and Quasiafu, John on te. At the end, found social Ghana for a bimunim yansan sanso akotoaba na ma na wa sanso aba. Uba so the same trauma now the Ghana for FM. Aren't you tired? His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And then he say yentume light. Yentume light oh. And so mine adwuma nim. NPP for nya on be creative jobs and a youth ni be. NPP for mo aba. E dem NDC for mo aba dem pa na mo aye de aboa Ghana. Mo amuntu adwuma ye foka. Mo so chese ne obaza ade. Mana. Oh.
Otuku okono osise osise jata onese ebonuam ose se ply ose ne wano se ube oji se Ghana for ya din so yenim nyansa pa anaju se yabon yenim ade pa oba be ka che Ghana for se John Dramani Mahama ekoko na wode aba 2000 hwani na Ghana for akuafo esu no eso won faso chen your friend is saying another dan kwaku ado ekoko a na ye tono 3100 and something oga the Ghana for say adwin so on mo na ma adwin so amonyene nko akiri se ka adwin ko akiri a sa amre ya Ghana for su no e so be kanya asasem e de kire we Ghanaians we cocoa farmers what best can we cocoa farmers e wie obe kanya asasem a kire be ka kire say and the current cocoa price no eso won faso chain nana adokwa dankwa kufu ado a ogiri nipa ho agiri cocoa fuo ho enim nyansa ye di buman a obefa cocoa free for 400 and something cedis edikodu sika pole million ediasa baako mo adwin so anti munim ade eso na munim ade ketwa munim ade eso so mfaso na munim ade eso so mfaso adwene ne wo fo munti monyene nkwa akiri nti oba be ka che Ghana fo se sa sika we so wo mfaso koko na wate so no ma fa akuafo 11 million adi no eso wo mfaso chen na do dankwa akufala no di nyina ma omo wa adwene wo fom adwene no e wo fom